Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the versatile Carex Overbed table, a rolling hospital bed table designed for both home and hospital use, featuring wheels that allow it to slide effortlessly under your bed, just like a hospital table. This overbed table is height adjustable from 28 to 42 inches, making it perfect for breakfast in bed or as an adjustable laptop table, and its C-shaped base offers easy access whether you're in a chair or wheelchair. With a sturdy design that holds up to 50 pounds, this table is not only durable but also highly functional, featuring a table tray measuring 33 by 16 inches, suitable for both left and right-handed users. The table's built-in caster wheels ensure smooth mobility, and the adjustable tray table can easily be raised or lowered with a lever, just like the ones you find in hospitals. Whether you're using it as a bedside desk for work or a convenient table for meals, this overbed table is designed to meet a variety of needs. Its versatility extends to use with couches, sitting chairs, or wheelchairs, making it an ideal addition to any home or healthcare setting. So, if you're looking for a practical and adaptable solution for your home or healthcare needs, the Carex Overbed table might just be the perfect fit. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.